Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. So today I'm preparing rice cake. And our ingredients are here. I have a half a kg of rice, which I soaked it the whole day, and 2 coconuts, a half a teaspoon of yeast, 1 cup of sugar, and cardamom powder. So here is our coconut, but you're not going to use this. You have to soak it in warm water, then get the coconut milk, then you're going to use the coconut milk. So first of all, add your soaked rice into a blender, then add the coconut milk, then blend it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So after blending, this is how it should be. After that, you're going to add our sugar, yeast, and our cardamom powder. After that, mix them properly. After you're done mixing everything properly, we are going to cover it for about 20 to 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, we have our results here, so it's ready to be cooked. Now let's get straight into the cooking. So in this process I used a jiko. So first of all, add a little amount of cooking oil, like 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, then spread it all over your sufuria, then leave it for about 2 minutes. Then you can now add your mixture. Make sure the heat in your jiko isn't too high and isn't too low, so you just have to keep it in a medium rate. And again, keep checking it and leave it uncovered for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then you can now cover it and add charcoal on top of it. So when I added charcoal on top, it took me 10 to 15 minutes so that it can cook. And boom, here is our rice cake. So it just looks so amazing. And if you really enjoyed my video, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Again, don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.